Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Dr. Shah Fahad Khan on your screen. I hope you're doing well. Okay guys, so AKU MDCAT 2026 बहुत करीब है, ठीक है इंशाल्लाह, and I'll be with you guys along every step inshallah, posting all the updates as possible, taking out time from my schedule as possible. So I'm going to take the opportunity in this video to discuss the latest paper pattern with you guys, ठीक है. AKU MDCAT 2026 is more or less the same as the previous year. They've changed their policy last year. They did change the policy last year. They haven't made any major changes this year. There are two sections, the sciences section and the reasoning section. Okay, the sciences section has negative marking, 0.25 only negative marking, and the reasoning section doesn't have any negative marking. Sciences section will test, the science achievement section is what they call it, will test chemistry, biology, physics. The reasoning section will test math reasoning and science reasoning. Now the science reasoning can have questions from all three science subjects, chem, bio, physics, all three of them. It can also have questions from math as well. It can also have general knowledge questions. It will most likely have scenario based questions. Okay, same is the case with math reasoning, scenario based question. They give you a paragraph, they ask you questions from that paragraph, and sometimes that same paragraph has the answers to the questions that they've asked you. Okay, so whenever that's the case, just make sure to read the paragraph very nicely. Science achievement section would require you to have a rigorous knowledge of your course of chem biophysics from Punjab board as well as Islamabad board. Islamabad board can be used as a reference textbook, but you need to use at least one book as your major book. Okay, one course curriculum. I mean, if you are using Punjab board, then stick to Punjab board and use Islamabad as the reference book. If you are using Islamabad, then do the vice versa. Punjab board is common in both of them because Islamabad I think doesn't have Punjab board separately, so they use they don't have physics textbook. I mean, physics book is common for both the boards. That's what I meant to say. Okay, and chem and bio are different for Islamabad board. So just make sure to this makes it a total of 10 textbooks that you have to study very nicely. For lectures, you can refer to my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm gonna be launching my AKU MDCAT crash course from the 15th of Feb. Join in as soon as possible. See you.